Ricky.
And I'm Misu.
And this is In the Kitchen with RiKiMiSu. There's regular vegetables.
And then there's fancy vegetables.
And today we're going to be exploring these funky looking vegetables and even making a dish out of one.
There's only one thing we're missing though.
What's that? Perfect. Alright, what do we got first?
First up is the daikon.
Whoa, that looks like a combination of a carrot and a sausage.
It's actually a winter radish that's low in calories and filled with vitamin C.
Alright, I've got one for you. Check out the water chestnuts.
Was it named after you?
Huh, very funny. Water chestnuts are high in fiber and low in calories and are great in a stir fry.
Next up is the exotic Romanesco.
Whoa, that looks like a sea creature.
Right? Like broccoli, Romanesco is a superfood that's great for boosting your immune system.
Alright, last but not least, we have the fancy vegetable that we'll be cooking with, the endive.
Ooh, what are we gonna make with it?
We're gonna be braising these and serving them with some roasted chicken.
Alright, let's endive in.
Oh, and if you want to check out some videos, recipes, and other cool stuff, go to kidfoodnation.com.
Mmm.
That's really good.